So one important thing about backlinks, there's two types, isn't there? There's do follow links and there's no follow links.
Yeah.
Some benefits attached to the do follow links more than the no follow links. But do you want to give us a bit of an overview of what both mean and what they do?
Yeah, literally, like do follow is basically saying to Google, follow this link. It's a genuine link. You know, the webmaster has genuinely put this link into the content because it believes that it leads to a product or service that the readers of the article will find useful. A no follow link is essentially Google's guidelines ask that webmasters, if they are doing sponsored content or if someone's paying them for content, that the link should be no follow, which essentially means that it's not going to ping off the right kind of signal for Google because it's a no follow link. With that said, no follow links do have some value. If you're undergoing a huge link building campaign, you're doing lots of links in each month, month in, month out, adding some no follows to the mix will help the profile look a bit more neutral. And to be fair, I had one client last year and they were just doing no follow links for a certain reason, but
Yeah.
they were working. They weren't working as much as do follow, of course, but they were working. In my head, and people will disagree with this, but from what I've seen, if a do follow link has 100% efficacy, right? A no follow in my head has 25 to 30%. So they do exist, they do get picked up. They're there. There's a reason they're there, but they don't have the same pull and power as a do follow. So if you ever go into a kind of negotiation with a webmaster, and they say, which one do you want? Or do you want do follow or no follow? Or if they say, hey, we only do no follow, but it's going to cost a crazy amount of money, that's kind of a signal to kind of be like, it's probably not worth me paying this much money if it's going to be a no follow link. Or if they're asking you which one, oh yeah, it's a do follow. And when you go into the negotiation stage, it's like, hey, how much shall I pay for this link? I know we'll talk about this, another time, but how much shall I pay for this link? And also, is it do follow or no follow?
Yeah.
So yeah, you want do follow links, but if you have a huge portfolio of links and you're building a huge profile of links, you also want to add in some no follows as well.